Updating your primary email on Binance is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the User Center option in the menu. Step 3. Select email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the section related to email or security settings. Click on the option that allows you to manage your email address. Step 4. Enter new email address. Input your new primary email address in the designated field. Ensure that the email is valid and accessible, as you will need to verify it. Step 5. Verify your new email. Check your new email inbox for a verification link or code sent by Binance. Follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change and complete the update process. Make sure to keep your account information secure and regularly check your email for any updates from Binance.